what is circle according to you? As we have discussed in yesterday class also, what is circle? Any one of you? Yes.
Close the gate. Close the gate.
Yes. Circle is a plane of shape, that closed figure, which is having no sides, no edges, no vertices, right? No edges, no sides, and no vertices. It's just a simple one curved plane figure, right? And if you consider circle, can you tell me any real life example from the circle? A one pizza, shape of a pizza. Say it properly, shape of a pizza. Elisa, that plate, shape of a plate, yes. Coin, yes.
Shape of a clock.
Yes, shape of a clock, you can say. Ashok Chakra, that is also B. Yes.
Now a part of hand.
Yes, in the middle part of a fan, that is also correct. Chapati. But that we have discussed the things that is two side, right? And we can simply shape, if you consider this bangle, what is the shape of this bangle? You can also consider this is a shape of a circle, right? And can you tell me what you consider only? The outer boundary. What is you have considered? The outer boundary. And this shape is considered of only curved sides. Only curved sides. There is no straight line, no vertices, no edges. Only a curved surface that is closed. It is from the starting from and point and ending from the same point. Ending from a same point. Like you can see here. We can start from a single point and ending to a same point. Right? We make a circle like this. Okay? What you can see in that? More. Center. But it is visible. Right now I have made any center? No center. Yes, very clear. A circle is consist of a arc, right? Yes. Maham? Yes. This outer boundary is also known as circumference. Circumference. Now moving to the part that we considered, now we will learn about the parts of a circle. But before that, I would like to show you one video related to the circle. You can see it. Circles in daily life. Okay? Just a hold on.
So the circle are equidistant from the center. The chakra on our flag is a circle and the spokes are of the same size.
Okay. So here they are saying the distance from the center to the outer boundary is similar. Like here and here and here. The all distance are similar. They are not very different from each other. If one is 3 centimeter, the another one is also 3 centimeter. Okay?
This shows us that the points on the circle are at an equal distance from the center. The wheel of a cart is a circle. A compact disc is also one of the many examples of a
This you
circular
can see
shape.
at your home also now.
You will find plenty of examples of circles around you.
Now can you tell me here what kind of circle you have seen in the classroom right now? Yes. Room number. More. That you have already told. Anyone else? Camera. The front part of the camera. Anyone else? Except these parts.
And the bottom of a bottle.
Bottom of a bottle. That is also very clear. Anything else you can see? Yes.
And
also.
cap of a bottle.
That is also bottom and cap.
And the fan.
Yes. The one thing that is different, that is a fan shape.
And
Right.
plates also.
That we saw. So
We can easily prove that the points on a circle are equidistant from the center. Let us see how a carpenter does it. A carpenter who wants to make a small circle.
Okay. This thing you do it very clear that we have started from a one point and ending to the same point and we form a circle. But in ancient time, can you tell me how we formed a circle? With the heavy, because we have not invented compass that time, right? So how we used to draw that? Jitin,
First,
what the carpenter do?
ma'am, they take a glue and then put
So what day you can say?
and then put their thread on it and the chalk and then they
Place the thread to the nail and chalk. Yes. Sit down. So I have clearly told you that if you take one nail and the chalk, the carpenter stuck the nail on the cardboard and where he wants to draw the circle. And with one thread, he used to stuck the another part of the thread with the chalk and string it properly tightened, and then he used to draw the circle. You can see that in the picture also.
Kiratable can easily draw the circle using a chalk and a string. He takes a flat piece of wood and fixes a nail at one point somewhere near the center of the piece. He then takes a string and ties its ends together in a knot to get a loop. He places one end of the loop around the nail and the other around a long piece of chalk.
That must
Keeping both the nail and the chalk vertical and the string tightly stretched, he moves the chalk to take one full round around the nail.
that string is tightly stretched. That is, it is able to make a proper circle. In ancient time, there is no compass. Then we used to draw the circle like this. Because there is no circle, we can't put any pencil on it. That time, no invention. So the three things we know we need to draw the circle in the ancient time. One is chalk, another one is string, and the nail. And can you tell me like what the carpenter used to make for these? They need to draw the pictures like of a circle. Part.
chair and table.
If we making a shape of a round chair, then we used to make that. Anything else? Round table, that is also clear.
I'm a drain.
Drain, that is very clear. Yes.
I'm a sieve.
Sewer that you can use for the sewer tanks. Lid. Yes, ma'am. Very good. To keeping the mind in the distance, he used to make the circle in the proper place. Yes. Moving to the next part, that is the parts of a circle. Which parts of the circle are very important to us, and we have to keep it in our mind. The next topic is.
Let us learn about the different parts of a circle. Click each label to learn more.
Okay. Before that, I'll explain you. This is the center of the circle. Okay. The center of the circle is the most important part, because whenever you draw any circle right now with the help of compass, you just need a center. To keep your compass from the metal arm, to keep it properly placed, so you need a center for that. Okay. So just watch.
The middle point of the circle is called the center.
Middle part is also called a circle, and that is a distance from the center to the circumference is equal to the every part, right?
The distance around the closed curve of the circle is called its circumference.
We have already discussed the outer boundary is called as circumference, or we can say that in our language that is perimeter. That is perimeter of a circle. Perimeter of a circle. In area and rectangle, we have studied about the outer boundary of any shape is called perimeter. But in circle, the outer boundary is called circumference. Okay, it's called
Circumference.
The segment from the center to the circumference is the radius.
Okay. So the line segment from the center to the circumference is called radius. From the center to the circumference is called
Radius.
How many radius can we form in the circle? This point? Infinite. Yes. Can you come and make anyone? One by one.
Unlike the plural form of radius,
Yes.
we call it
When we talk about one, that is called radius. When we talk about more radius, we call it radius. Okay? Can you make the another one? Use different color. Name it also. Okay? Very good. Very good. Clap for him. So the radius is clear, and radius is half of the diameter. Half of a
Diameter.
Let's talk about what is diameter. Then we got to know now half of a diameter, what it means. Let's talk about diameter also.
The line segment that passes through the center of the circle
Yes.
and connects 2 points on the circumference is called the diameter.
Okay. As
The
you know,
diameter is twice the length of the radius.
okay. So as you know that the diameter is a line which is passing through the center.
Center.
Which is passing through the
Center.
and touching the 2 endpoints on the
circumference.
Okay, it is always passing through the center. It is always passing through the
Center.
and diameter is the longest chord of a circle. Longest chord of a circle. If I ask you in the exam that what is the longest chord of a circle, then you have to name it
Diameter.
How many diameters can you make in any circle? Alisa, can you come and show it? You have to show it infinite, okay? How can you make infinite? If you are saying it infinite. Only one you have made. And you have said infinite, we can make it more. Very good. Like this, we can make many more also. Very good. Go back to your place.
Ma'am, can I also make?
You can come and make more. That is not straight, it's okay. Like that. Okay? Okay. So many more diameters are also said. If you notice this figure, when Aliza joined like this, she started from this side
Mom, she also makes.
and she again joined the same and she made one diameter like this. She joined two radius. That's why I clearly said that the diameter is double of its
Radius.
The diameter is double of its
Radius.
When we join two radius, we got one
Diameter.
and diameter is double of its radius. But radius is half of its
Diameter.
Suppose if diameter is 12 centimeter, if diameter is given to you and you have to find the radius, can you tell me?
Ma'am, 6 centimeters.
Very good. And in that case, if radius is given to you and it is 3.5 centimeter, can you tell me the diameter?
I'm 6.10 centimeters. I'm 6.10 centimeters.
Wait, Aliza,
Ma'am, 6.10 centimeters.
no. Bhavya, 3.5, 3.5,
Ma'am, 6.5.
no.
Ma'am, 6.7
Very
centimeters.
good. 7 centimeter. 7 3.5, 3.5. When you add these number, 5 plus 5, 1. And you add this, that means
Ma'am, 7
after point no value of 0, so then 7 is the
answer.
and 7 is the diameter. And from this you can easily see that if we talk about radius, it's a half of diameter, and when you talk about diameter, it's double of its radius. So I hope these 2 points are clear to you.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Moving to the next part of the circle, that is
Part of the circumference is called an arc.
That is very easy. Part of a circumference. Part of a
Circumference.
If you take any part of a circumference,
It is
then
arc.
it is centurion arc like this, and you can name it also. Bhavya, come and name it. Name it also. This one. But there is no arc I have made.
Ma'am, can I name it?
It's okay. Aisha, come. Very good. Clap for Aisha. That means we have made this arc, and one pointed end we have named it A, and the second end we have named it
B.
and it is very clearly seen on the that we have taken this part of a circumference. So we have said this. Very good.
Ma'am,
Yes.
as cannot be infinite.
No, it cannot be infinite. It should be from the circumference only. Okay. Yes. Next, sector.
Area that is enclosed between two radii and an arc is called a sector.
As we have discussed just right now, that the arc part, that is the part of a circumference. If from that part of a circumference you consider that any point touching to the radius, that and the next part is also touching to the radius, then you can say that it's a sector. Sector is consist of two radius and one arc joined to it. One radius, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yellow color is visible to you or is it invisible?
Ma'am, it is visible.
Okay. And this is the second radius
Yes, ma'am.
and this is the arc. So you can see sector consists of three things, that is two radius and one arc. Okay. And this is the shaded part, you can say it's a sector. It's a sector. Wait just a second. And this part you can say this is a sorry. If we talk about a small one, we say minor sector. And if we talk about the bigger area, then we have to say that
Major sector.
major
Sector.
sector. Clear? Now, Afan, can you come? And who will give me, who will give me the example of sector from the real life?
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, a piece of pizza.
Slice of a pizza. Yes, that is very clear and good example. You know that the pizza is consists of, if you take the big one, that is consists of 7-8 slices, and if you take one slice from that, you can take one sector from that. That slice is consist of two
Yes, ma'am.
radius and one arc. Very good. Clap for him. Upon name it also.
Ma'am,
Slice of a cake, that shape, yes, she is, you can say the slice of a, when you cut it in the rectangle shape, that, yes, very good, yes. Pineapple, yes, we can cut in that shape, in a sector shape, that you can say it, very good. And if you talk, you have made A, O, B, right? So you have, how you will say it? It's a sector. Yes, A, O, B is the sector of this circle. Part you are saying something?
I was saying that a slice of watermelon is also
That is also a good example. Okay, moving to the next part, which is called
A line segment that joins 2 points on the circumference is called a chord.
wait. What is chord? Chord, that means a line segment with joining the circumference from the 2 points but not touching the
Center.
But not touching the center.
Center.
If it is at the center, then it is said to be
Diameter.
It is said to be
Diameter.
Now, how many chords we can make on the circle? We
Infinite.
can make infinite number of chords in the circle, but that should not be touched to the center of the circle. Then it is said to be diameter. That is the longest chord. Okay. Okay. From this, I will tell you that this part is known as
Segment.
the space between the chord and the arc is known as
Segment.
You know that sector consists of three things, that is two radius and one arc. Segment consists of only two things, one chord and one arc. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you can see.
Ma'am, on the segment is also
The area in the interior of the circle that lies between the chord and the arc is called a segment.
Okay, that shaded part is the segment. Same thing we're gonna study about this also, that this part is known as
segment.
and this
Segment.
major segment. Major segment. The next question which I'll ask you, you have to name it, that consists of these things only. So,
Now that you have learned about the different parts of the circle, let's fold the circle in half and see what happens.
when you fold a circle into equal half, it is said to be semicircle.
Semicircle.
Yes.
Semicircle.
And you can see what this line says, that this part,
Ma'am, diameter.
very good. Diameter. Diameter.
Now we can say that a diameter as if it was a full circle, the center.
Diameter is same in the full circle and in the semicircle. That's what I am telling you right now.
Then how it would be diameter?
Because we have folded the entire circle, not the diameter. We have not cut it, we just folded. The middle part is the same. The line which is passing through the center, it is not reducing or what. Okay? It is not reducing. It is same like that, which is just we have folded. The middle line is same length, having the same length.
And
Okay?
ma'am, semicircle is made by one diameter and
One diameter and half circumference. Circumference is the half in the semicircle, but not the
And we can
diameter.
also say that
You can say this part is the half
circumference.
circumference.
And we can also say it like a big segment.
Big segment. You can say it because diameter we consider it as longest chord, right? And but the other part is also equal, no? So in this we can not make that this one is minor, then that one is major. All the both segments are same.
Ma'am, we
Okay, in this
also
we
call
cannot
R.
measure that.
We
Anji,
can also call R.
R. In this part, yes, you can call it R. This part you can call it R. So that
And
is
we can
also.
call
Ma'am, because it is not a full circle.
It is not a full circle.
and we can also call it a segment.
Segment. Why?
And inside of it is a segment.
The inner part of it, you can say it the
Segment.
segment part. Because segment I have told you that consists of only chord and the arc. So it is having longest chord and arc. Very good. Okay, done with this. Semicircle example. Yes, you can tell real life semicircle. Sorry. No, I didn't. Protector. Yes, you can say it. Yes, that is also a cell. Do you have right now? Anyone? Show me. If you consider from here, that umbrella look like half centimeter.
Yes.
Please say. Yes, she is there saying that protector is a real life example. That is the shape of a semicircle. Very good. Clap for Aisha. Now focus here on the first question. Identify and measure the diameter of each circle. O is the center of the circle. Here they have named it already, and I'll ask one by one. You have to come and tell what is the diameter, what is the chord. You have to write. Okay. Diameter, radius, chord, and sector, segment, arc, and center. Center is already mentioned, so you can answer it. From this row, one by one come and answer it. One by one. Okay? Yes, center is O. Very clear. Good. Clap for him. Diameter is AB. Very good. Clap for him. Next. Only one radius is there?
No, ma'am.
Let her try. How many radii is there? Firstly count that and you can name it. OE and center to the outer circumference. See which line is passing from the center to the circumference. OE is correct. Very good. And the last one. Yes, clap for her. Here is 3 radii, that is first one, this one, second one, and third one. Very good. Maham. Chord. You have to name it chord. Hold the stylus like this. Yes, that is clear. Yes, CV is the chord of this circle, touching two endpoint of a circumference without touching the center. So that is the chord. Sector. Firstly, see how many sectors are there, and then you have to make it. See any sector which is consists of 2 radius and 1 arc. Very good, very good. Clap for him. Another one you can mention?
Yes.
So sit down. Very good. The next one is AOE. Clap for him. Other also it is. Yes, Aisha, can you tell the segment? Try. Don't worry, if it is wrong, I will tell you what is the correct answer, but you have to answer it. Upon focus. B and E. That is not segment, that is arc. That is arc. Segment is the space between the chord and circumference. Achha, you can just mark what is the segment there. Shade the part. Very. Yes, very good. If you name it now, it will be same like the chord CV. CV. Okay, that is the shaded part. She did it very correctly. Okay, this part is the segment. And arc, you know it? Right. Yeah. Try. B, very good. And ending point. O, BO is radius. Arc is the part of a circumference. Part of a circumference. Okay, I can say. You can see here. You can see here. This part is, you can say, an arc. So you have named it like B, E. And the next you can name it.
Ma'am,
This
E,
one also.
ma'am, E,
A.
E. Ma'am, C. Ma'am, A, C. Ma'am,
Yes, this one also. C,
Ma'am,
A.
C, E.
A and
C, D.
this one also.
Yes, ma'am, TV. Ma'am, TV. Ma'am,
D,
CD. Ma'am, DVD. Ma'am, CD. Ma'am, CD.
And you can name it this one also A to B, right?
Ma'am,
That
CD
one
also.
So there are many arc in this because we have more than 2 points on the circumference.
Ma'am,
Okay,
CD also.
so you can name it according to that.
On there
Okay,
is CD.
but consists of only that 4.5 point is there. So that means one part, second part, third part, fourth part, fifth part. Which one? AC we have left. AC we have done with 5 name. So it is done with the 5 name. Okay, here you have to see the number of points on the circumference and then mark it. We have named it this one. Correct. We have named it this one, this one, this one, and this one. So if you are asking now how many arcs you can make, or ma'am, is it infinite? So this is the answer. You can consider like this question: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 points on the circumference. So this is also a arc. This is also arc. This part is also arc. This part is also arc, and this part is also arc. How many arc is there? 5. That means it depends on the number of points. It depends on the number of points. This picture B part I will give you as homework. Okay. Next.
Ma'am, in B figure there is a one more arc.
In this,
Ma'am, B part.
which one?
Ma'am, FN.
F, L. If you consider that whole, that is also, but mainly you can
Ma'am,
give
in the
it
A part there is a one here.
D.
But
And yes, that is also when you consist any 2 arcs, so adding these 2, you can make it. Part of a circle, any part that is not clear to you, that you can ask. Or from the all 8 parts. Yes, the one.
I want to ask about the arc. Ma'am, if we made an arc and leave a tiny space, it's also a
Tiny space, like what? You can come and show.
and this is also
It should be you have to end. If you ended this on C part, then you can say it's a major arc. And the part which you like, wait, like this. If you start from F part and ending to the C part, this is called major arc. And you left that part, that is also you can say minor. I hope part of a circle is clear to you. Anything from the part of the circle that is not clear you can ask.
no problem.
Sure?
Yes.
That's all for today class. Thank you so much. Yes.
Thank you.
Okay. That means you have to, yes, tell me any more thing that in the B part, what is the center here? O is the center. Okay. Just a second. Let's do a quiz. Okay? If you know the parts of the circle, that is Which of the following statement is false in case of a circle? In case of a circle. First point, there can be any number of chord in a circle. B part. The length of the radius is half of the length of the diameter. The radius is the longest chord of a circle. D part. The distance across the circle through the center of the is called diameter. Which one is wrong? Yes, that's correct. Next. If the length of the chord that runs through the center of the circle is 10 centimeter, what is the radius of that circle? Arisha? 5 centimeter? Sure? Yes, that's correct. That is fine.
Now because diameter is because of
Yes, diameter is 10, then it's very clear that the radius is half of it, so it's a 5.
Ma'am, to find the radius, we have to divide.
You have to divide or you can just simply do the half of
Diameter
it.
is equal to radius multiplied by diameter.
That is clear. The line segment dash is the diameter of the circle.
Ma'am,
If you can answer it.
ma'am, ED.
No.
Ma'am,
Only one line that is passing. Ashita?
ma'am, ED.
Yes, that's correct. AB is the diameter of the circle. Next. If the radius of the given circle is 12, what is the diameter of the circle? Aliza, can you answer? See, if the radius is given 12, stand up. Let her also do it. I know you know the answer. 6, that means 6 because the radius is 12 and diameter is, 12. It's the double of the radius, right?
Yes, ma'am.
That's correct, 24 centimeters. The last question. The diameter of a circle is dash the length of the radius upon
Ma'am, D twice.
twice the length of its
Radius.
Very good. That means we have done the section very done. Any doubt in this?
No, ma'am.
Thank you so much for. That's all for today.
Welcome, ma'am.